Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. All right, so here we are at Kirkland'S, just looking at their home decor. So come on with me, guys. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Now they have some amazing home decor, so I'm gonna leave you to a little bit of music so that you can enjoy the shopping trip. So I'll see you at the end. So I hope you enjoyed the shopping trip as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.